I'm going to show you how to create an alternating treatments design graph using Microsoft Office Excel 2007. This is the alternating treatments design graph that we will be creating during this tutorial. Before you get started, please go to your Start menu and open up Microsoft Office Excel 2007 and enter in these data as they appear right here. Then resume with the tutorial. The first thing we're going to do is highlight these data. Go to the Insert tab, select Line, select 2D line with markers. Then to make sure it's the same size as our example graph, start the graph in the corner of F and 2. And then drag that down to match our example graph. Okay, now let's start formatting. Select on the legend and select Delete. Select on the major grid lines and select Delete. Now let's format the scales. Let's start with the X-axis scale. Right-click, select Format Axis. For major tick mark type, select None. For minor, select Outside. And make sure that between tick marks for position axis is selected. Then go up to the top, click Home, and select 12 for the font. Then go to the Y-axis scale. Right-click on it, select Format Axis. For fixed, type in -1. Leave 20 for maximum. Select 1. Enter in 1 for major and 1 for minor. For the axis value, enter in -1. Select Close. Then change the font size to 12. Now let's cover that -1. Select your graph. Go to Insert, go to Shapes, select the text box, draw over the -1. Right-click on the shape, select Format Shape. Select Solid, select White if it's not selected already. Go to Line Color, make sure there's no line color, and select Close. Adjust the text box or remove the text box if you need to. Okay. Now let's connect our data series with a line. To do that, select on a data series by clicking left, then click right, and go to Select Data. Go to Hidden and Empty Cells and select that button, and then click on Connect Data Points with Line. Select OK. It will return you back to this menu and hit OK. And now all of your data series should be connected with a line. Now let's format each data series. Right-click, go to Format Data Series, go to Marker Fill, select Solid, and choose Black. Do that for Line Color, Solid, and choose Black, and Marker Line Color, Solid, and select Black, and hit Close. Do that for the next data series. And do that for the next data series. And for the last data series, you're going to do something different. Go to Format Data Series as you have been. Go to Marker Options. Select Built-in. We're going to change this so it's more visible to a circle. And then change the size to a 10. Then go to Marker Fill and change it to black, Line Color to black, and Marker Line Color to black. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to click on the plot area, and we're going to change the plot area to match to this plot area. Okay, and we're going to insert the titles. So go to Layout, select Axis Title, go to Primary Horizontal Axis Title, select Title below Axis, and type in Session. Then highlight that and change it to 14. Do that again for the y-axis. Go to primary vertical axis title, select rotated title, and type in frequency of picking skin. Hit enter and change that font to 14. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to, again, adjust this plot area to move this over just a little bit because I see some crowding before we enter in our condition labels. So to do that, again, grab onto that, and let's just grab this over and move it over a little bit. Okay, now that's not crowded anymore. Now find your text box and make sure you cover that -1. Okay, now let's enter in the condition labels. To do that, click on the graph, go to Insert, go to Shapes, go to Text Box, draw a text box, and type in Escape. Highlight, and then go to font size, which is 14. Then you're going to copy this, and you're going to click to paste, and you're going to move that to where you need to move it for all of these. Again, click paste again. And paste again. And paste one more time for the participant identifier. Okay, now let's go ahead and change all the names to correspond with the names on our example graph. Okay, now the last thing you need to do is to enter in the arrows to make sure that it's clear to your readers which condition belongs to each of these names. So to do that, you click on your graph, go to Insert, go to Shapes, select the line that's an arrow, and then draw the arrow, right click on that arrow, go to Format Shape, select line color, and choose black. Now you can copy and paste this for each of these conditions, or you can draw in the line. I like to draw in the line because I don't think the copy and the paste is really a shortcut, because sometimes the line can get cut up in here and it can be more frustrating. So go ahead and do that, whatever one you choose for each condition. Just make adjustments where you need to. And now the graph should look like your example graph. And that's how you make an alternating treatments design using Microsoft Excel 2007.